The second generation of robotic vacuum cleaners from Miele achieves a first-class cleaning performance. Quattro Cleaning Power makes the Miele Scout RX2 particularly powerful. The new corner brushes sweep dust reliably below the unit. These fan-shaped side brushes can reach along edges easily and ensure particularly thorough cleaning in corners. When the Scout RX2 encounters an obstacle, the flexible side arms are simply retracted to prevent the unit from getting caught. The specially developed roller brush collects coarse dirt particles and fibres with a combination of dense bristles and rubber lips. Behind the roller brush is another suction area. This narrow opening is in close contact with the floor and picks up even the finest of dirt particles thanks to the high suction power. This high suction power comes from the high speed of the brushless power motor, which is particularly efficient and durable. With Quattro Cleaning Power, which consists of side brushes, roller brush, suction aperture and motor, the Scout RX2 cleans extremely powerfully. This is supported by the floor covering detection system. The Scout RX2 detects carpets and cleans them with maximum power. With the perfect combination of Quattro Cleaning Power and floor covering detection, the Scout RX2 achieves a first-class cleaning performance on both hard floors and carpets. The Miele Scout RX2, powerful, intelligent, progressive.